golden ruins on a ridge, ancient gods, and scorching sun. Welcome to the Valley of the Temples in Sicily, one of the most jaw-dropping archaeological sites in all of Europe. Let's walk through it together. You can reach the city of Agrigento by train from major Sicilian hubs like Palermo or Catania. Once you're at the station, local buses or taxis will take you straight to the Valley of the Temples, an open-air museum that's older than Rome. Despite its name, the valley is actually a ridge overlooking the Mediterranean, lined with ancient Greek temples that have stood for over 2,400 years. This UNESCO World Heritage Site was once the thriving city of Akragas, one of the richest colonies of Magna Graecia. The star of the show? The Temple of Concordia. It's one of the best preserved Doric temples in the world. Nearby, you'll find the ruined yet still impressive Temple of Zeus, once the largest in the ancient world. Don't miss the massive fallen Telamon, one of the original giant statues that held up its structure. Other highlights include the Temple of Heracles, the oldest one here, and the Temple of Juno, especially gorgeous at sunset. The archaeological park also features ancient city walls, necropolises, and olive groves. Tickets cost around €17, and the site is usually open daily from 8:30 a.m. to 7 p.m., with later summer hours extending until 10 p.m., perfect for golden hour photos. But here's your warning, this place is vast. We're talking nearly 1,300 acres of archaeological terrain. During summer, there's limited shade, so it gets brutally hot. We went through several bottles of water in just a few hours. Only a few olive trees offer any relief, so bring a hat, sunscreen, and maybe a portable fan. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures. Our travel audiobooks are now available. Explore iconic destinations through immersive storytelling and preview a full chapter for free. Tap the link to listen now.